I asked 5 of the most advanced AIs the exact same question. Which programming jobs won't exist next year? Their answers might end your career. Question. You are being asked to make a prediction, not to give advice. Imagine it's 1 year from now. Which programming job or role do you think will basically stop existing as a separate job because of AI? Don't list multiple roles. Pick one. Keep the answer short, 2 to 3 lines. Be honest and direct.
Junior front-end developer, basic CRUD or UI work. AI copilots already generate layouts, components, and glue code faster than a human junior. In a year, this won't be a standalone role, just a small slice of a senior or product engineer's job.
1 year from now, the junior web developer, specifically those focused on basic front-end implementation, will likely stop existing as a distinct entry-level role. By late 2026, the traditional tasks of converting designs to HTML or CSS or writing boilerplate API scaffolding have been almost entirely automated by agentic AI.
By December 31st, 2026, the junior software engineer role will essentially cease to exist as a separate, widely hired position. AI coding tools will handle most routine implementation, bug fixes, and boilerplate tasks that traditionally trained new graduates, making dedicated entry-level coding hires economically unjustified.
Junior QA, or test engineer. Within a year, AI will automate most manual test case writing and execution to the point where companies won't hire separate junior testers. The work will either be absorbed by developers using AI tools or handled by senior QA focusing on test strategy rather than execution.
The role of junior or entry-level web developer will largely cease to exist as a separate job. AI will generate the bulk of standard CRUD interfaces and basic front-end code, integrating it directly into a feature's requirements.